Crater Lake, Yosemite, Zion. The legendary national parks and public lands of the United States. We all know them and make hundreds of millions of visits each year. But stop for a second. Look closer. Past Old Faithful, the red rocks and redwoods. Beyond the monuments that captivated your imagination on middle school field trips and family vacations. Across the Smokies, over the Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge, up to the Hamburger Rock Campground, and through the front doors of Many Farms High School in the heart of Navajo Nation. Look past the seemingly endless moments of beauty and find the small, perfect moments right nearby, where a short walk through the woods is waiting for you on the weekends, where there may be picnicking, bird watching, or fishing, where pulling over to a scenic overlook on an exhausting car ride can reawaken your senses. Size, scale, visitor tallies are not all these lands offer. Just outside are places to learn, be inspired, and find joy and peace. Places that exist across all of these United States, bringing together our families and communities. To the places we go to reconnect, relax, and reflect, there's a lot behind the scenic and hidden from the panoramas that's done to make it so. The words maintenance and upkeep may not be the words of inspirational speech, but their results speak for themselves. When a tree falls in the woods, it's our job to hear it and make sure it doesn't block a path or damage any facilities. Maintaining, healing, and restoring access to these beautiful lands that give us so much is what the Great American Outdoors Act is all about. The Great American Outdoors Act is making an impact in every single U.S. state and across every ecosystem, from frozen tundra to rainforests. Whether it's improving access to safe drinking water or rebuilding bridges at a national park, bolstering wildland fire management capacity at the Bureau of Land Management, restoring paths and upgrading accessibility for the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, or providing safe learning environments for students at Bureau of Indian Education schools. Behind the scenes, there are thousands of dedicated staff at the U.S. Department of the Interior working to leave a legacy on our public lands. With an expansive list of nearly 400 projects, the Great American Outdoors Act Legacy Restoration Fund is working to ensure America's natural spaces are open for our visitors, our communities, and our employees now and decades to come. Since 2021, this critical funding has led to legacy investments in the renovation, replacement, and refurbishment of thousands of assets on park lands, at tribe-owned schools, and many valuable public sites. But there's still more work to be done. The Great American Outdoors Act, a legacy in progress. For more information, visit doi.gov/GOA.